This video is not designed to stimulate your brain like fast Instagram edits. It's not here to trigger your ADHD. It's not here to overload you with cuts, flashes, or dopamine traps. This is the opposite. This is slow, simple, old school, just a voice, one image, and direct knowledge. If you're used to hyper-edited content, your brain will try to run away. That's exactly why you should stay. This video is meant to calm you down, reset your attention, and bring you back to square one, the place where real transformation starts. So sit with it. Take notes if you can. And if you have the will, stay till the end. All the secrets are there. Welcome to the old school way men used to learn.
Most men today are weaker, tired, unfocused, and hormonally dead, not because they lack discipline, but because the modern world is engineered to break their biology. Every screen you stare at, every hour of poor sleep, every dopamine hit, every processed meal, every artificial light, all of it is designed to keep you exhausted, unfocused, and easy to control. This isn't about motivation. This is biology. And if you don't understand the forces attacking your body every single day, you will never feel strong, grounded, or masculine again. So today, I'm giving you the viable body system, the only blueprint modern men need to fix their energy, rebuild their hormones, lose fat, gain strength, and feel alive again. Let's start. In the next few minutes, I'm going to simplify your entire physical life into 4 fundamentals. Not 10, not 20, not a checklist of supplements. Just 4 things: sleep, strength, sunlight, stress. Fix these 4, and your testosterone rises. Your energy stabilizes. Your fat loss becomes automatic. Your mind sharpens. Your discipline returns. Everything else you've been told is noise. These are not theories. These are biological levers. If your sleep is broken, you cannot produce testosterone. If your body is weak, your metabolism dies. If you never see sunlight, your hormone clock collapses. If your stress is always on, your masculine chemistry shuts down. Most men today fail in life because they fail in biology first. Let's start with the one men underestimate the most: sleep. 80% of your testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Not during the day, not in the gym, not from supplements. Deep, night, sleep. 80% of your testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Not during the day, not in the gym, not from supplements. Deep, night, sleep. But most men go to bed scrolling, staring at blue light, overstimulated, dehydrated, and mentally chaotic, so their body never enters the state required for hormonal repair. If your sleep is inconsistent, your hormones are inconsistent. If your hormones are inconsistent, your mood, focus, and discipline disappear. So here's the fix, simple and non-negotiable. 1. Same sleep and wake time, every day. Your hormones rely on rhythm. 2. Cold, dark room. Your body needs temperature drop to trigger sleep chemistry. 3. No screens 60 minutes before bed. Your brain needs darkness to produce melatonin. 4. Light stretching or deep breathing before bed. Signals your nervous system to switch off. If you fix only your sleep, your energy, your fat loss, your focus, everything improves. And if you're getting value already, stay locked in and subscribe. I drop videos that cut the noise and give men real systems, not cliches. The second pillar is strength, not bodybuilding, not aesthetics, not chasing PRs, just strength. Muscle is the machine that keeps men disciplined. It stabilizes your hormones, raises your metabolism, and gives you the physical anchor your mind needs. You don't need a perfect program. You don't need a 6-day split. Here's what works: 3 strength sessions per week, 45 to 60 minutes. Push, pull, legs, compound lifts, full range of motion, progressive overload. If you train your chest, back, legs, and core, you've already won. Men struggle with discipline because their body gives them nothing to work with. Build the body, The discipline follows. Third, sunlight, the most underrated masculine hormone lever. Morning sunlight triggers your circadian rhythm, your internal clock. It boosts dopamine baseline, regulates cortisol, and turns your brain on. 5 minutes outside in the morning gives your body more benefit than an hour under indoor lights. Men today live like nocturnal animals. Screens at night, indoor life during the day. Zero contact with natural light. Then they wonder why they feel depressed, unfocused, and weak. Fix this one thing. Morning sunlight for 5 to 10 minutes daily. You will feel your mood, hunger, energy, and willpower stabilize within days. And the fourth pillar, stress. Not stress as in workload. I mean synthetic stress, created by your phone, your environment, your habits, constant notifications, constant stimulation, constant comparison, constant noise. This keeps your cortisol elevated all day. And high cortisol destroys testosterone. Your body cannot produce masculine chemistry when it thinks you're in danger. Fixing stress is simple. 1. 8 to 10 minutes of slow walking daily. Proven cortisol drop. 2. Breathing cycles. 4 seconds inhale, 2 hold, 4 exhale. Activates your parasympathetic system. 3. Reduce microstimulation. Check your phone at intervals, not constantly. But the real truth? Fix sleep, strength, and sunlight, and your stress drops automatically. Now let's talk about the biggest reason men today feel numb and directionless. Testosterone traps. Lack of muscle. Poor sleep. Zero sunlight. Processed food. Porn and overstimulation. Overuse of dopamine hits. Sedentary lifestyle. Late-night screen addiction. Every one of these lowers your baseline. You don't need TRT. You don't need 20 supplements. You need to stop destroying your biology. Let me simplify weight loss in the cleanest way possible. Your body loses fat when 3 things align. 1. Stable hormones. 2. Controlled appetite. 3. Consistent movement. That's it. Stop chasing diets. Stop switching programs every 2 weeks. If you want to lose weight, eat consistent meals, higher protein, slightly lower carbs. Walk 8,000 steps per day. Strength train 3 times per week. Sleep properly. Reduce stimulation. Fat loss becomes automatic when your hormonal foundation is fixed. Here is the exact system you can start tomorrow. Morning. Wake, drink water. Get sunlight, 5 to 10 minute walk. Light stretching midday. 2 high-protein meals. 1 strength session, 3 to 4 days a week. Evening. Low stimulation. Slow walk. Stretch prep tomorrow. Dark, cold bedroom. Sleep on a schedule. This is the viable body. Simple. Masculine. Repeatable. Most men don't need motivation. They need biology that actually works. Fix your fundamentals and your life will rise automatically. You'll think clearer, feel stronger, move with direction, speak with confidence, and carry yourself like a man who is stable from the inside out. If you want more systems like this, real, practical frameworks for modern men, subscribe, drop a comment telling me which part you're fixing first, and share this with a man who needs structure, not noise.